Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another watch review. Today, we will be reviewing a new article that has just been launched, and the name is Sveston Armour. It's a gents watch, as you may have guessed from the name. This watch is an analog battery-powered 3-hand wristwatch, and the glass used is of hardened crystal mineral, and it is up to 3 ATM 100-meter water resistant. It weighs about 95 grams, which means it's very lightweighted and easy to wear. It has a round case size of 43mm dial and lug-to-lug distance, which is 47mm. It has a lock, which is strap belt clasp lock, and is available in 3 different sleek colors. It has a fabric strap, and this is very exciting as Sveston does not have any models with this kind of strap. They act as double security too, because you don't need to worry about bars breaking or popping off, as with typical straps. They are very durable and highly functional, as they dry quickly and they don't stick to the wrist due to being designed for extreme wear. This timepiece is more than just style with an armor-like design, and such high durability, and is definitely something you should have on your bucket list. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back with another video. Until then, like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.